I have a new visitor. She's also a regular stray. Hello, Mimi. How are you? She also came inside. Mimi, how are you? Don't be scared, Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here. You're welcome. Just don't fight with my cats, huh? What's your name? What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Oh my gosh, I always have a visitor. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. Cutie, 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 cutie. Come on here, Nene. Come on. Mimi. Mimi. She just went straight inside my house. Oh, love it. Because it's winter here. They want someplace warmer. Hi, Luch. Lucho, I don't know what's the name of her. She's a she. She's a gingerbread. Ginger cat. Ginger? Can I call you Ginger? Ginger! Okay, stay. But don't fight. Do not fight, Do not fight. Be good girl, Good girl. I have so many. See, this one is another stray. Oh, my gulay me. How many na you are inside my house? Huy. Gar, Jingji, don't fight. I told you. You're welcome, but do not fight. If you're fighting, I will send you outside. Ginger. Ginger dito. Ginger. Be good, Be good. Good girl, Good girl. Thank you. You're welcome.